Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blau Parts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the interior cabin air filter on a second generation XK50 platform, Toyota Tundra. This is going to apply to all 2010 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. For this DIY, we're going to be using a carbon activated style cabin filter, which offers some additional or improved filtration over a standard pollen style cabin filter. To learn more about these benefits, you can visit our blog, linked in the description below. So let's get started.
Begin by accessing the glove box located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Remove any contents or items as needed. Next, remove the owner's manual shelf. This can be done by pulling it upward with a small amount of pressure on both the right and left side until the two mounting tabs release. Locate and remove the access cover at the rear of the glove box. Slide the cover upwards, releasing the three tabs along the bottom, the two on the left, and the small tab on the top right corner. Next, remove the cabin air filter cover by compressing and squeezing the two locking tabs located on each side. Once released, pull the cover in an outward direction. Remove the old interior cabin air filter. Inspect the cabin filter housing area for any debris and remove as needed. Install and slide the new interior cabin filter into the filter housing. Confirm that the airflow direction arrow is pointing down. Reinstall the cabin filter housing cover. Place it in the up position while aligning the locking tabs on each side. Firmly press the cover against the filter housing until you hear and feel the two side tabs lock in place. Reinstall the access cover at the rear of the glove box. Align the two tabs on the left while also aligning the small tab on the top right corner. Once this is done, slide the cover downward until the three tabs along the bottom clip or lock in place. Reinstall the owner's manual shelf. Align the two mounting tabs and lightly press down on the side areas until the shelf clips or locks in place. Last, place any contents back inside and close the glove box.
So that's a quick overview on how to change the interior cabin air filter on the 2010 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. If you'd like to see more Toyota Tundra DIY maintenance and fluid change videos, head over to blauparts.com. While you're there, be sure to check out our full lineup of convenient Blau fluid change kits, along with our high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, and transfer case fluid options for your Tundra or any other vehicles in your garage. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.